How to change or add a location on GrubHub account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see step-by-step procedure on how we can change or add a location on GrubHub account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the GrubHub application in the mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're already logged in, navigate to your bottom right corner and then tap on account icon. Here, scroll down a bit and there's an option as saved addresses and phone. Tap on it. So under this piece, if you already have added some address, there simply tap on it. After that, you can edit that address and then simply tap on save. But if you have not added any address yet, in order to add some address or a location, tap on the plus icon from the top right. And here, fill in all the required information. Add your address, your city, your phone number and your zip code. Once done, simply tap on save button from the bottom of this interface, and with that your location or address will be added or saved in your GrubHub account. And that's the way to change or add a location on GrubHub account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.